This is the creek that we were fishing. We're gonna be getting ready to fish right up under that bridge right there. But yeah, we'll get to it. Alright, so guys, I'm just using like a little mini ugly stick rod here. I'm up under this bridge. I threw some power bait in. Just like a little salmon power bait. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. Looked like we were getting a couple nibbles here and there, but it's very, very small up in here. I'm about too tall to be up in here, so wish us luck. No luck so far. I think I might try and go upstream and fish a little bit more. Not having too much luck down here. But yeah, guys, this is all I'm really using is some gulp power bait. Just had a little bite. Never mind, I think it was the ground. There's not much power bait left on this. Oh, never mind, we're good. We're good. But yeah, guys. Not a single bite yet. Well, we've had a couple bites, but not really too many. Haven't caught a single fish yet, though. Alright guys, I caught my first fish of the day. I think it's just like a little creek chub, honestly. I'm not too sure what it is, but he kind of swallowed the hook and I forgot my pliers at home, so I'm gonna have to cut the line, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, a little creek chub on the little mini Zipco. Or, sorry, ugly stick. Y'all let me know what kind of fish this is. I'm not too sure what kind of fish it is. Alright guys, check this out. I finally got re-tied one here. So let me get the hook quick. Just using about, oh crap. About that size of a hook for these little trout. I'm not using no treble hooks or anything. Just a little small thing with some of this gulp power bait. That's all I'm really using. I think I'm gonna be done with that spot in the stream or under the bridge. My bad, sorry. I'm gonna work my way upstream. Probably go up under right there, fish that. I know there's a bit of trout in there probably. I think I caught like a little chub out of there. That's about it. I didn't catch no trout at all. Alright guys, so I'm at my new spot. Really just upstream from where I was at that bridge over there. Pretty foggy water here. I'm getting little nibbles right now at this second, actually, while I'm talking. Keep you guys updated. Sink it down a little bit. It's a little too high. I don't want to be in all the roof over. Lost my power boot, so. Alright guys, we're all tied back on. Hopefully come through here. I know there used to be a lot of good fish in here, but I haven't fished here in a while, so I couldn't tell you. Just getting little nibbles there. I believe so. It might be the weight hitting me down. Nope, my bait's gone again. So they're definitely in this deep hole, but just keep missing them, I guess. Once I get my GoPro here and my chest mount, it'll probably be a lot better. But right now I'm just videoing on a crappy iPhone, so. I might have to go weightless here. What do y'all say? Should I try weightless or should I try and go back under that bridge? I think I should probably try over under that bridge and down and pass further. Yeah guys, but all I'm using is a ugly stick dock runner or something like that. It's a real small rod. Just has a lot of sensitivity, so good for trout, I guess. I think I'm in the weeds. Yeah, I was. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go back down by the bridge and try. Not too sure though. Probably though. Alright guys, we're casting back out here. Just right under this creek here. Probably not right in there somewhere. Not too sure. But y'all watch the rod and tell me if you see anything go. Or if it looks like there's a fish on or anything. Looks like right about now. I think I lost it, guys. I definitely had one hooked though. Alright guys, let's cast back out under here. Wasn't the best cast, but it'll make do. I'm gonna set my rod back down here on the rock where it was before. It's getting a little dark here. Dark on us. I wrap up the video here soon. Currently just sitting here waiting for a little nibble or bite, which kind of looks like the rod's going a little bit right now. I'm not sure though. We'll pick it up and hold it, see if we feel anything. I don't really feel anything, so I might have too much weight on it. Don't feel no nibbles or anything. Put it back down and see if we can bite. Sorry for the bad quality, guys. I'm recording on an iPhone. GoPro's on its way, so should be better eventually. Again, guys, this is all that I'm using, really. Nothing too special, just some power bait here. Don't think we got a fish on. Sitting in these streams, the fish like to sit up, well, facing towards upstream, so could just be sitting there with the power bait in his mouth and we don't know. I'll resume once I get a bite, guys. We recasted, guys. Kind of a bit farther out there. Haven't got anything yet, sadly. Hope to hook into like a rainbow or brown, something. Maybe a palomino. No, they're in here. Pretty deep creek, so hard to tell where they are. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna reel in here and go to the other side of the bridge here. Not really getting any luck right now. Having any good luck or anything, so try one more spot here and then we'll go back home and call it a night, and then post this video up for you guys to watch and hopefully get off work early tomorrow to come back. Not here. I'll probably go to a different spot. Same creek, different spot. It's just down the road. Oh god, falling through all this muddy stuff. Look at all of it. Pretty muddy under here. Has my work boots caked in mud. That's where we're gonna try now. Hopefully get some luck. Have some luck right here in this deep hole. Don't know how well we'll do. My first time fishing here, so yeah. Alright, guys, we're casting back out here in this hole. We're stuck up on a rock right now. Been fishing probably for like an hour and a half now. No luck with trout. Caught one creek chub, that's about it. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure really what it is, but we're gonna call it a creek chub. Y'all let me know down in the comments what it is. Make sure you can get a bite on here. Should be good. Nice bite. I'm trying to stick it down in this mud here. Just like that. Don't need much to catch a trout, honestly. Just a little ice fishing rod works perfectly fine. It looks like mine's getting messed with a little bit, but nothing on the rod tips, so I'll just sit there. We're gonna try right after this cast right back up in there underneath that bridge there. I know they're under there, it's just a matter of time to get them to bite or what they're biting on. I don't have no live worms or anything, sadly. This might work pretty good, honestly, but next time I know to bring some. Alright guys, so I think we're gonna call it there. I'm packing up and getting ready to head back home. Peace out. See you guys on the next.